Just sort of an orange preserve, often found on toast.
No, what's marmalade?
Ida, I want you to come very slowly towards me. No sudden moves now.
What are you quacking about, Drake?
There's something behind you. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
Oh, Dad!
I've created a monster.
Oh, don't be so ridiculous. It's just not your normal run-of-the-mill pond duck, that's all.
Oh, that's all? That's all, is it? I have a reputation.
Yes. And I wouldn't brag about it if I were you. Yeah.
Hey, it's okay, kids. Dad's going to investigate. Let me take a good look at this. I tell you, he's a turkey.
He is not the turkey. He loves the water.
Aye, we'll see. Watch this. Cranberry sauce.
See, it didn't even flinch. Now, come on, you lot. You need to get spruced up. We're going to meet the other members of the duckyard. You need to be educated in the ways of the world. Oh, Drake! Don't stare at him. Look at him. Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us?
Funny like this isn't strong. Still you won't have fun. All of you must get along. A special song.
Special?
Now come along, boy, you need to follow me. But you must say goodbye to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat. Look at him, there's the money and the knees on up. Look at him, that was up in the eggshell shop.
Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's it matter? Why do I make you all laugh and mock? Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scared them off.
Now that's what I call a snack. Look at you, still talking, but there's so much more. Look at you, finest cat food that I ever saw. Yes, you won't be missed as if he's alive. Maybe he's gonna let me out this silly news.
Now, in a moment, you will be presenting Her Grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once part of the manhood, and you will notice that she wears a red band. That is the greatest distinction of duck joy, which is actually looked up to by both men and animals.
Now don't turn